Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that in our chapter 6 decimals, we were doing basic fundamental operations on decimal. So in that row, we have completed our addition and subtraction. So today we are going to start multiplication of decimal numbers by a whole number, and we'll find it out how to multiply a decimal number by a whole number. So here I'll tell you some of the steps that how will you do multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number. So this is our today's topic, multiplication of decimal with whole number. Whole number means any number can be given to you and you have to do the multiplication. Now multiplication is a third basic operation which we are going to use on decimals. So for example, if you have been given with a question, for example, let's say I will take it 0.4 multiply by 8. Now this 4 by 0.4 you can write it in fraction. So 4 by 10 and that will be multiplied by 8. So now here we do not have anything. So this here we will write 1. 8 4s are 32 divided by 10, and then we will put the decimal here. One decimal only, that will become 3.2. Isn't it? What we have used here, we have used our concept of multiplying the fraction with the whole number. In our previous chapter we have done this concept. Which concept? See, in this chapter what we have done, see whatever we were learning from our previous chapter now, one way or in the other way we were using those concepts. Fine. So here we can see we have used two concepts. First concept what we have used, that 0.4 was there. Now 4 by 10 we have written. Then what we have done? Decimal will be written in the form of fraction. Then fraction will be multiplied by a particular number which is a whole number. Now in the denominator we do not have anything. So we have written 1 over there. Now numerator will multiplied by the numerator and denominator will multiplied by the denominator. So this will become 32 by 10. And then we will count from the back and put the decimal. So what it will become? 3.2. Fine children. So this is quite easy way to, best way to do multiplication, that whatever decimal number will be given to you, change it into form of fraction and then multiply it by whole number. This is one of the way. I'll tell you one more way to do the multiplication, and whichever way you will find it out that this method is easier, say you can use that method. It is not necessary that you are supposed to do conversion into fraction and then only you will do. See, in this row we'll see example 1. For example, you have been given with a decimal number having 3 decimal place, and that is supposed to multiply by a whole number. So the easy way, if we'll come to whole number, that how we were doing multiplication in the whole number. So what we were doing, we were writing that number, do the multiplication, and after doing multiplication, once you will get the product, in product you will count from back as many decimal places you require. Those many decimal places you will put over there. Decimal point you will put over there. See how. And learn this method very carefully and understand it very carefully. Fine. And what you can do, first you can understand this, and after that whichever method you find it out suitable or easy, that method you can use. So let's see one more example. Now what is that? You have been given with multiply 35.78 this decimal number will be given to you 35.78 multiply by 3. Now what I am talking about, see this. If you are going to change this number in fraction form and then you are going to multiply it, then you have to reduce it into, you have to do the multiplication, and after that you will put the decimal point. So simply what we will do, we will write this number without decimal point. We will write this number 3, 5, 7 and 8 without decimal point. Fine. Remove the decimal point and then multiply it by 3. Multiply it by 3. So now what you will do? Do the multiplication. 3 8s are 24. 2 will be carry. 3 7s are 21 plus 2 23. 2 3 5s are 15. 16 17. 1 will be carry. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Now you have got this as an answer. What is this? 10,734. So what you can exactly do that after getting this answer, after getting this product, you can write this answer 10, 3, 4 and then you can see how many decimal places you required here. 2 decimal place, you count from back 1, 2 and put the decimal here. Fine. Quite simple way. What you have to do, remove the decimal, write the number without decimal, then multiply it by a whole number, then write the answer down and just count the number of decimal place and put the decimal over here. Quite simple. Is there any difficulty? No, not at all. Fine. So I hope with this method you can do multiplication of a decimal number by a single digit whole number, double digit. If you have 3 digit, as many bigger number you have, you can easily do the multiplication, because this multiplication is same as of whole number. So let's take one more example. So what we have done in this first example, recall it what we have done. We have removed the decimal, write the number, then multiply it by a whole number, complete the product, and after writing the product in the answer, count the number of decimal place and put it. Fine, easy. Is there any difficulty? No, not at all. Fine. So let's take one more example. Now what I have told you that with this method you can do any question having a 1 digit whole number, 2 digit whole number or 3 digit whole number. So now we'll take one example of 2 digit whole number. So let's start this. Example 2, multiply 0.345 by 12. Now this is your second example. In this you have been given with a decimal number having 3 decimal place. What is that? 0.345. So what you are supposed to do it? First step is to remove decimal point, then multiply it by 12. So what we will write here? 3, 4, 5 multiply by 12. Now 2 5s are 10, 1 will be carry, 2 4s are 8, 1, 9, 2 3s are 6. Now 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4 and 1 3s are 3. Now this multiplication is same as you were doing it in whole number. In that chapter, multiplication and division chapter, how we have done the multiplication, in the same way you will do it here. Then 0, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 will be carry, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 will be carry. Now this will be your product. So now what you are supposed to write it? Now, what is your answer here? 4, 1, 4, 0. How many decimal places you required there? 3. So you will count it from back 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal here. Fine. Let's see this question once again. What you have been given? Multiply 0.345 by 12. Means you have been given with a 3 decimal place number that will be multiplied by a whole number, that is 12. So what we will do, 345 multiply by 12. 345 multiply by 12. So what we will do, 2 will be multiplied here, 2 5s are 10, 1 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 3s are 6. Then 1 will be multiplied and we will get 4140 as a product. So now what we will do, we require 3 decimal place, 1 2 3. We'll count from back, 1 2 3, and we'll put the decimal point here. Clear? Any problem, any doubt? So that we will discuss in our online class. So children, with this method, you can easily multiply any decimal number which have been given with any whole number, whichever you require. See children, in this what you have to do, you have to remove the decimal point. After removing the decimal point, you will multiply it by a whole number. Fine. Whatever whole number will be given to you, whether it is a 1-digit number, 2-digit number or 3-digit number. So now children, what we will do, we will take few of the question from exercise 6.6. Fine, which is your last exercise, multiplication and division of your decimal number with the whole number, exercise 6.6. So today we will do multiplication and tomorrow we will do our next operation, that is division. So children, let's start exercise 6.6 and I am going to take multiplication question only. So this is your question number 1. Multiply in your book. Multiply. Different question will be given to you and I have told you a different method also. 2 methods I have told you. First, you can change it into fraction and then you can do the multiplication, or simply you can do the multiplication. See, A part is 0.8 multiplied by 6. So in the solution what we will do? Actually this 0.8 means you have been given with 8 only. So 8 6 what it will become? 8 6 what it will become? If I remove this decimal point and this, 8 6 what it will become? 48. 8 6 48 na? So in the answer what you will write, that 0.8 will be multiplied by 6 and you will be getting this 48, and 1 decimal place is required. You will count from back and put the decimal here. Quite simple. You have been given with 1 decimal digit number 0.8, that is supposed to multiply it by 6. Now we'll remove the decimal point, we'll multiply it by 6. Now 8 6 now what it will become? 48. So therefore 0.8 will be multiplied it by 6. So what will become? That will become 48. 8 6 48, and then you required 1 decimal place. You just count it from the back and just put it. That will become 4.8. So let's take next question, B part, that is 1.2 multiplied by 8. Now here if I remove the point, what it will become? 12. 12 will be multiplied by 8. 12 8s are? Yes, 12 8s are 96. It means if you are going to multiply this 1.2 by 8, you will be getting 9, and 1 decimal place you required, you will count from back and put the decimal here. Quite simple. What we are supposed to do, we have removed the decimal in 1.2, that will become 12. Then 12 will multiply it by 8. 12 8s are 96. It means you required only 1 decimal place in 96. Count from back and put the decimal here. What is the answer? 9.6. Quite easy. Fine. So now children, we'll take C part. Now in C part what we will do? We will do actual multiplication. That long one. Long multiplication we will do it. In C part you have been given with this decimal number. Multiply it by 5. So what we will do it in solution? We'll remove the decimal point. We'll remove the decimal point, and after that what we will do it? We'll remove the decimal point. 1, 509. That will be multiplied by 5. Now 5 nines are 45. 4 will be carry. 5 zeros are 0 plus 4. 5 ones are 5. So how you are going to write the answer? Therefore 1.09 will be multiplied by 5. You will be getting 5, 4, 5. How many decimal places you required here? 2 decimal place. So what you will do? You will count from back 1, 2 and put the decimal place here. 5.45. Fine, what we have done in this question? You have been given with 1.09. Having 2 decimal place, we'll remove the decimal. You will get it 109. That will be multiplied by 5. And after multiplication, you will get it 545 as an answer. But when you are writing answer 1.09, you are supposed to put the decimal in between as many decimal places you required in the answer. So what we have done, we will count from the back 1, 2 and put the decimal here. What is the answer here? 5.45. See, 2 decimal places were here and here also we have 2 decimal places. I hope the concept of decimal places will be clear to everyone. 1/10. Once we will complete all these basic operations, then we'll do one activity of representing the decimal place using square sheets. We have this math square sheets we will having in the young in the class 3 we were using those kind of sheets. Find those kind of notebooks. So in that we'll do one activity also to understand the concept of this decimal number more clearly. So let's start the part. What is that? 12.314. Quite simple. 12.314 multiplied by 4. So now what is the first step? First step is to remove the decimal point, write the number, then multiply that given number by a whole number. So this is your first step. So let's start that. What is that? Remove the decimal point. This will become multiply by 4, which is your whole number. Now do the multiplication. 4 4s are 16. 1 will be carry. 4 1s are 4 1. 5. 4 3s are 12. 1 will be carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 4 1s are 4. You will be getting this as an answer. Now let's write down the answer. Therefore 12.314 will be multiplied by 4 and you are getting 49 point. Okay, I'll write the number. Now you will only tell me how many decimal places were here. 1, 2, 3. So from the back I'll count it 1, 2 and 3 and put the decimal here. I hope now the concept of multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number is clear to everyone. What we are supposed to do, whichever decimal number will be given to you, you will just remove the decimal point and write the number as it is. After that you are going to multiply it by a whole number, whichever whole number will be given. Whether the whole number is 1 digit, whether the whole number will be 2 digit, you have to do the same multiplication we were done earlier. Fine. And after doing the multiplication and then write down the answer and then count the number of decimal places and put the decimal in the answer. So what it will become? 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal here. What it will become? 49.256. So children, I hope the concept is clear. So now let's start our next question, in which a little bit change is there. 1.237 multiply by 9. So if I'll make it 19, then also you can do the multiplication. The concept must be clear. The what you are supposed to do it in that must be clear. After that, whichever question you will be getting, that you can do it simply. So what is the first step? 1, 2, 3, 7. Write the given decimal number without point. Then put a cross and then write down 9. Do the multiplication. 9 sevens are 63. 6, 9 threes are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 3 and 3. 9 twos are 18 plus 3, 21. 1 we will write here, 2 will be carry, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11. You will be getting this as an answer. So write down this answer 1.237 multiply by 9. So this product you will write. How many decimal place? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Put the decimal here. Fine. Got it? What we have done? We have been given with this question 1.237 multiply by 9. Now 1.237 will remove the decimal and write that number 1237. That will be multiplied by 9. So we have done the multiplication. 9 sevens are 63, 6, 9 threes are 27, 6, 33. 9 twos are 18 plus 3, 21, 2, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11. We have find the product of given number and then written the product here. Then we find it out how many decimal places we required. We will count from the back 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal here. See, from the beginning, from the very first question, we were finding these kind of equations. Fine. And how to do the multiplication, that you all are aware of it. Fine. Whether there will be 1-digit whole number, whether there will be 2-digit whole number, whether there will be 3-digit whole number, the step will be same. You are supposed to follow the same step which I have told you. Remove the decimal point, do the multiplication. After that, in the answer, count the number of decimal and put over there. So children, now we'll start our F part of exercise 6.6. Question 1, that is multiply. Now F part is 5.935 multiply by 12. Multiply by 12. So now how we can do this? See, remove the decimal point, write the number like this and then multiply it by 12. Now 2 5s are 10, 1 will be carry, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 9s are 18, 1 will be carry, 2 5s are 10 and then 11. What we have done? The given number will be multiplied by 12. After that we will start multiplication with 1, 1 5s are, 1 3s are, 1 9s are, 1 5s are. Then do the addition 0, 7 plus 5 12, 1 will be carry, 8 plus 1 9 plus 3 12, 1 will be carry, 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11, 1 will be carry, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. You will be getting this. Now what is the next step? Therefore 5.935 will be multiplied by 12 and you are getting this as a product. So what we will do? We will write this number 220 and we will count the decimal place 1 2 3. We will count from back 1 2 3 and put the decimal here. Fine. I hope the concept will be clear to everyone what we have done in this F part. In this F part, you have been given with a decimal number, that is 5.935. Multiply it by 12. Fine. So what we have done? We have removed the decimal point. Write this decimal number without point in the multiplication form. Done the multiplication by 12 and we will got the product. Fine. This multiplication, I don't think that I have to explain again. Now 2 5s are 10, 1 2 3s are 6, 1 7. Simple multiplication, the finding the product, which we have done in our previous chapters also. So children, after finding the product, the last step of this question is, what you will do? See the number of decimal place. Count the decimal place from the back 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal in the product. Fine. This is your last step of the multiplication. Now children, a very important question or a very different question is there in your book that I will do it right now. I hope we have done all the questions related to multiplication. See children, now I am taking one question. As I told you, if you have been given with a decimal number and that decimal number is containing 3 decimal place, and with that number you have to multiply a 3-digit whole number. So what we will do? For example, if you have been given this question, multiply 12.316 by 342. If you have been given with this question, then what? The procedure or the method of doing multiplication is same. The only difference is your answer will become a little bit bigger. How? See, 12316 we have written. Okay, remove the decimal place and then we'll multiply it by 342. Do the multiplication. 2 6 are 12, 1 will be carry. 2 1s are 2, 1, 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now let's do the multiplication with 4. 4, let's start. 4 6 are 24. 2 we will write here. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6. Then 4 3s are 12. 1 we will write here. 4 2s are 8, 1 9. 4 1s are 4. Then we'll start with 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 will be carry. 3 1s are 3 1, 4. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now what is the next step? This multiplication we have done. Now what is the next step? The next step is, you will write this number here. 2, 4 plus 3 7. Then 6 6 12, 8 20. 2 4 2 6. 2 8 4 12. 1 9 3 12 and 9 will be 21. 1 we will write here. 2 will be carry. 6 4 10 2 12. 1 will be carry. 4 we will write here. Now this product you have got. Now what is the next step? Next step is to put the decimal. Now what is the question you have been given with? 12.316 will be multiplied by 342 and after doing multiplication we'll get this answer 42127072. Now how many decimal places are here? How many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So here we will count from back 1 2 3 and we will put the decimal here. So that will be your answer. So what I have told you in the beginning, that for multiplying a decimal number by a whole number, whether the whole number will be of 1 digit, single digit, double digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, whatever, whichever decimal number will be given, just remove the decimal point, write the number just we were writing in multiplication in that form, and do the multiplication as we were doing in our large number or in that multiplication and division. Do the multiplication. After doing multiplication, when you are writing the answer here, therefore you will just see that how many decimal places you required. 1 2 3. So you will count from back 1 2 3 and put the decimal place over there. 3 decimal places you required, then you will put 3 decimal, count from back 1 2 3 and put the decimal there. If you require 2 decimal place, you will count 1 2 and put the decimal there. Accordingly you will do it. Fine. Is there any problem? I hope there will be no problem in doing multiplication. because many question we have practiced in the video, and along with this video you can stop my video and you can complete your work also. So I hope you will enjoy doing this multiplication. So here we will finish our today's class. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.